How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel for a new video. Today we are going to be working on the Golf. It's Wednesday, that means it's golf day, and today we are going to be working on some more suspension components. After this next set of modifications, we're pretty much set as far as the suspension goes, outside of like adjustable control arms, but it's a daily, so we're really not going to do too much there. Maybe in the future, we'll see. But we have a special package sent to me from Whiteline to install on the car. In this package right here, we have the Whiteline front adjustable end links for the Mk7 and Mk7.5 GTI. Super well made. Most of you guys are probably familiar with Whiteline, at least I hope you are. Really durable. It's got nice metal ends and a very smooth adjustable center rod. These are the measurements for it right here. And that is what we're gonna be installing on the car today. I'm probably gonna just match these mainly to the stock setup because I can get that adjustability. You wanna have your arms of your sway bar parallel to the ground, what's on the ground. It's kinda hard for me to do because I'm gonna have to jack it up and I don't have a way to get underneath and adjust it there. But we've got all the pieces that we need, washers and spacers, and obviously the end links themselves. It also comes with instructions for the Mk7 GTI, and here they are. These are absolutely beautiful, really well made. Whiteline is just one of those brands that always produces great suspension components. They sponsor Mighty Car Mods, and today they are sponsoring this video. So before we get installing, I just want to say huge shout out to Whiteline and thank you for sending these out to me. I'm very, very thankful that I can put these on my car. I've always loved the Whiteline stuff and they've always been in my wish list, and now I have them. So super excited to do that. Thanks, Whiteline. Let's get going on the install. I'm gonna get the front wheels off, the car jacked up and everything, and we will just get right into it. Alrighty, so we got our wheels back on the ground, both sides, passenger and driver side. And as you guys saw, we've got our Whiteline end links installed. Very easy to put in, super simple. Here's the stock one, just for example. Very thin, non-adjustable, and these ones have about 40,000 miles on them, 45,000 miles or so. So it's not that they needed to be switched out, but preventative maintenance is always good. And the Whiteline ones are just gonna last longer. They're adjustable, so got to get the car corner balanced and things like that and have it properly aligned to get the sway bar, you know, in the right place that it needs to be, but otherwise it's done. So in the next video, we will be installing the rears. I do have a set of rears from Whiteline as well. I just wanted to break this up into 2 videos so you guys can like have a reference for the fronts and have a reference for the rears if you're looking for that sort of thing. But they should drive well. I have adjustable end links on the Miata on the front and rear. Absolutely love them. So this is just gonna make the Golf that much better on the street, on the back roads, and then maybe one day on the track. So thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're new to the channel, be sure you go down below and hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up, leave your comments below. I will see you in the next one.